Hey everyone, this is Avinash back with another video. In this video, let's discuss about self-consistency prompting. This is going to be the shortest video in this prompting techniques, but very important. It's not a prompting technique in itself, but it's a technique that will give you a usage to use other techniques like that. Let me explain what it is. There are two ways, right? You have a lot of prompting techniques that you have a task. After consuming and using prompting techniques for like a lot of time, depending upon your task, you will finalize one prompting technique and use it. Maybe to write an article, to write a code, to write maybe to solve an arithmetic problem or something like that. You'll take one framework or say one technique and you will just put that technique using that technique, you'll kind of write mega prompts, and that mega prompts will be whatever. That is the whole thing. But the problem with this is you're not seeing the other angle. Like if you want to write a blog post, you use COT. But how about using other techniques? Maybe how about combining COT plus generated knowledge, or maybe just using generated knowledge, maybe using some other technique. So whatever the technique you are picking in, instead of using just one, use three, right? Just use three. We have like 8, right? Like 7 or 8. So using 3 techniques with the same format, like you will just, format will be same, but the technique will be different. The application, the applying of that particular technique will be little different, right? In the same format. Use it with COT, use it with chain of tree of thought, use it with generated knowledge, use it with zero shot. Test 4 different techniques once for your particular task and see the output. And then whatever gave you the best, just apply. So the actionable step would be same. Get the task. Finalize, instead of finalizing one prompting technique to be using, use 2 or 3. Open 3 different tabs in ChatGPT and use different techniques to get your tasks done 3 different times. And whatever gives you the best results, just use it. That's all. Number 1. So the second point is, sometimes when you're doing arithmetic problems, something, you don't know the answer yet. Like there is but when you know the blog post, you can read the blog post and judge it. But when you get an arithmetic problem in your exam or textbook, it is kind of difficult. So whenever you try 3 different techniques to solve that arithmetic problem, maybe adding the word, let's think step by step, making it think step by step and solving that arithmetic problem or aptitude problem will make it COT and will give you one answer. And go use the same thing to maybe use the same problem as a tree of thought. Get some experts on board. Hey, this is the problem I have. I want 3 experts to discuss, debate between themselves. I want an answer. That's tree of thought. And then just first maybe try the zero shot only. So once you see 3 techniques or 4 techniques, you just get one best answer. Just take that best answer and submit it, because consistently, if something is giving you a better answer, like it basically the answer is consistent in 3 or 4 different methods or techniques. Take that which is more consistent, and that will be your answer. So essentially, what the whole technique suggests is, self-consistency technique suggests is, instead of trying one, try 3 techniques. Instead of trying one angle, try 3 angles. Like you can see. Imagine you're writing a content writer. Instead of saying like say renowned content writer or something, maybe change one thing. So end of the day, test 3 techniques or 3 angles or 3 different things twice, right? To get the best answer. If something is so prestigious for you, so important for you, so everything for you, it doesn't if you don't mind spending more time to get the best of best answer, this is the way you need to do. If something is okay, is important, just do one prompting and you're done. But if it is very, very important, just pick 3 angles or 3 techniques or something like that. Use it, pick 1 out of 3 and you're good to go. That's self-consistency, guys. That's it. Thank you for this video. See you in the next one. I'm not giving you any examples because I gave you a lot of examples. We have more practical videos coming on. We have like literally live classes that we are going to attach here. So it will be overwhelming. It's like self-explanatory. Self-consistency is self-explanatory. And use 3 techniques or 3 frameworks or 3 anything 3 times. One input, 3 different ways, get output, compare 3 outputs, and you're done. That's all. No walkthrough video for this because it's very obvious. If you came till here, through this particular course, which is like 80% of it is almost done, to know how to actually do it yourself. Bye. See you in the next video.